Alright, get ready. I'm just gonna take the stairs. Go, 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 go. Move, 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 move. You get the crossfire, I got the alley. You're hit! You're hit! Now you're hit! Alright, we gotta get somebody on the bottom floor here.
Alright.
Oh, sorry, man. Go down now. I got you covered from up here, okay? Yo, Monolith! What's good? Where are they? Call them out! One behind the van! Top floor hotel! Zach, you still there? All right, I'm coming to you. Whoa. Okay, move to the next room now. Breach it. I just cleared the guy in there. Oh, my bad, sorry. You in? Is this guy on our team?
Yeah, he's on our team.
He is?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, buddy, watch that alley. I'll breach this room, okay? Where's the bomb? Stay behind me. There's a guy shooting across. Hold on, reloading. Keep an eye on the door. Okay. You ready? Keep your gun pointed this direction, okay? Okay, get behind me, okay? Yep. Get behind me with the bomb. Ready? Go! Game over! Oh man. Did this shot